Hi, I am Paul, and today, we will 100% fix this error which reads, the code execution cannot proceed because VC runtime 140_DIL was not found. Reinstalling the program may fix this problem. Okay, we will fix this in just a simple step, so let's get straight away into it. You encounter this error when you try to run most programs on your PC, most commonly, MS Office products, Word, PowerPoint, Outlook, and it can be any other app as well, it doesn't matter. The error suggests to you to reinstall the program, but trust me, this doesn't always work. You will always get disappointed uninstalling and reinstalling an app, and only to land on the same error message again. Let's fix this now. Visit this site using the link given in this video description. Here, you will find Visual Studio downloads. Scroll down to Visual Studio 2015, 2017, 2019 and 2022. You will have to go ahead and install both x86 and x64 versions. So click on the x86 version to download and install. Once the download is completed, open the file, agree to their terms and conditions, and click on Install and select Yes to run the installation. Close it once the installation is successful. Now, click on the second file to download and install. In case the installation rather asks you to repair, go ahead and do that. If it asks you to restart, do not restart yet, let's finish with all the installations before you restart your PC. And once this is done, finally, you have to install Visual Studio 2013, VC++ 12.0. Scroll all the way down to Visual Studio 2013. You will have to download and install both x86 and 64 versions again, following the same steps. So let's go ahead and do that. Now, we are done. Go ahead and restart your computer for changes to take effect. Once you're back from restarting your PC, go ahead and open any program that you encountered the error running them, and they will run smoothly now without that error. If this video helped to fix that error for you, please like this video and support me by subscribing to this channel. Thanks so much and stay safe. Goodbye.